Hey guys, it's Mr. Rice, and I'm making a screencast here to show you how to submit your Google Doc into Canvas. And so the first thing you want to do is go to your docs, and I've opened up the doc, and I've called my doc test, but you guys should have like chapter 20, lesson 1, or whatever that week's assignment is. That you should title your work. But anyway, I've got my doc up, and up on the right hand corner there's the three dots, the three horizontal dots. I'm going to press the three dots, and then towards the bottom of that menu it's share and export. So I'm going to tap on share and export, and now in the middle of the menu is send a copy. And so we're going to click on send a copy, and we're going to choose PDF, and it's already chosen for me. And so I'm going to hit OK. And now that I've hit OK, I'll get a scrolling menu at the top. Now, what I prefer is that you would scroll over to Canvas, and you see Canvas there, and you submit there. So you click on Canvas, and you hit the submit button. My submit is not lit up because I'm not a student, and so I can't submit anything into Canvas because I'm not a student. But your submit button should light up. You hit submit, and then follow the instructions from there. Now, if that doesn't work, then your second option is to send it to me by mail. Not the red mail, but back over here to the blue mail. Now, I prefer Canvas, but if you can't get Canvas to work, then go through the instructions and send it to me by mail, in the blue mail. Click on the blue mail, and remember, I'm conceited, so I'm the Me Rice, M-E Rice. Guy in the orange shirt shows up. Then you can send it to me as an email. Hit the blue arrow, and then I'll get an email. All right? I hope that's helpful. I think it's helpful, and so there you go. We're all done with that one.